Hello vlog and welcome to day 1 of Vlogmas. It is not technically the first day, it's not technically the 13th, it is technically the 8th, but I'm going to make the first day kind of a montage of everything preparing and leading up to Vlogmas. So I just went and got my new driver's license, hence why I'm like dressed all nice and stuff. I've got jeans and this shirt on, but I thought this shirt was green and green means Christmas. And in the spirit of Christmas, I actually just got my package to go to Grinchmas at Universal next week with my mom, which I'm going to document all of that on Vlogmas, and it's going to be so much fun. But because we're going, I was like, oh, I need a shirt to wear to Grinchmas that is Christmassy and Grinch themed. So we ordered this shirt, and it has the seam where it's like, ooh, ah, that's it. I'm not going. So we got this, and it's a cute little sweatshirt. I'm going to wear it with like maybe mom jeans or something like that. But I think it's really cute, and I can't wait to wear it, and I can't wait to go meet the Grinch while wearing it. But yeah, I'm super excited for Vlogmas. We have a lot going on. So I have, today's Friday, and I have this weekend, which I'm not really going to vlog because I have friends over and it's just a lot. But Monday, I just have my last exams, and then I'm done, thank goodness. And then Tuesday, I'm probably hanging out with friends. We may go to the beach. And then Wednesday, I'm going to my mom's, and we will probably do dinner and all that stuff. And then I will be posting. So I cannot wait for Vlogmas. I'm so excited. So this is the kickoff of it. Let's get going. Good morning, or I guess I should say good afternoon because it's like 1 o'clock. I have the full spread out for the Christmas party, and I'm so very excited to have all my friends over today. This is kind of going to be like the last time that we're all together before like Christmas winter break, and then I leave for DCP when they're gone still, like with their families. So it's really crazy. It's really kind of setting in. I'm gonna miss everyone a lot. I really did not expect when I was starting this process and starting college and all that I would meet friends and be this attached to people this fast. But I am, and I'm gonna miss them so much. So I really hope tonight goes well, and I really hope we all have a really good time. I have all this yummy stuff out, so I hope it gets ate, and yeah. But I am about to go pick up one of my friends, and we're going to run to Target together and pick up some last minute stuff, and then hang out until the party starts. So I probably won't show any of that, but if I don't, I'll see you guys tomorrow.
No, and then it smells like this.
We're team shop.
I just feel like all the other teams are getting really ahead, and they're working on their roofs way before us. But it's okay because we may be the underdogs, but we're doing good. Like
Look at this. There's a man in our house.
You're not gonna be able to see it on video, but he is inside the house. absolutely exhausted. It is like 11 o'clock. All of my friends left like not that long ago, and then I had to clean all the countertops, put up all the food, throw away all the trash, use the Swiffer and sweep, and basically clean my whole apartment. But I'm done now. I'm about to go get ready for bed and change into different PJs that I haven't been sweating and playing games and doing gingerbread houses and all that in. So yeah, it was a super fun night. I'll put a bunch of pictures and videos and stuff from it in a little montage. But yeah, I love my friends and I'm gonna miss them a lot. Tomorrow's probably the last night I will see two of my friends, Amy and Eiley, and tonight was the last night that I saw quite a few of them, like Emily and Anna and all of them. So it was really sad telling them bye before leaving for the holidays and going to the Disney College program, but I'm excited for what the future holds. I truly believe that our friendship will hold through the whole program, and we'll stay in contact and all that. But yeah, it's bittersweet, but all good thing. Well, it's not coming to an end, but like all good things have to come to an end, but it's not coming to an end. It's really hard to explain, but yeah, so yep, I am going to miss them a lot, but I am going to, I guess, get ready for bed soon, and I'll talk to you guys more tomorrow. So good night. Hi vlog. This is not the way I was expecting to start today's part of the vlog, but my power is out. It is currently pouring outside here in Tampa, and my power just went out. It's really crazy, and it was like honestly insane timing because I got up and I watched some TV and then I went to the gym, and then I literally just got out of the shower like 20 minutes ago and got dressed and was about to start cooking me some lunch, which is really unfortunate because my power just went out. So I don't know what I'm gonna do for my lunch or dinner if this continues. Yeah. So we're in a tough situation here. The only reason I even have lighting right now is I have you propped up on my computer, and like that's my only source of light besides my phone flashlight. So stay tuned. We will see how my evening goes. Yeah. So today I was originally planning on going to see Christmas lights with friends, and I woke up and I checked the weather because like I just had like this gut feeling like I was already tired, and like I just had this gut feeling like today probably wasn't gonna work out with Christmas lights and stuff. And I woke up and I checked the weather as I usually do and all that stuff, and it was like 90% of thunderstorms all day long. And it makes sense because it literally, oh sorry, my computer went off. Literally the bottom just fell out and now I have no power. So we'll see how it goes. I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. 2 hours later, the power is back on. So I am going to make my HelloFresh. Tonight we're having onion crunch chicken. I'm making this tonight, which I don't usually do. I usually make my HelloFresh on like Mondays and Wednesdays, and then go out to eat like on like Friday or Saturday or whatever. But I'm making it today because I'm going to my mom's Wednesday. So I'm probably going to eat this tonight and maybe tomorrow. And then I have another just like something in the freezer for me to eat. And I can always like make salads and stuff. But yeah, we're gonna make onion crunch chicken. Guys, look how yummy this dinner looks. It literally took like 45 minutes. It's usually like 30, but it took a little longer to make the mashed potatoes. But oh my goodness, I am about to tear this up. These are like just regular mashed potatoes. These are green beans in like a honey mustard Dijon sauce. And then the chicken is like breaded in like crispy onions and the same sauce as the green beans. But yummy! Good morning. It is Monday and today is my last day of the semester and I'm so excited. I only have one class today and I'm so ready for it to be over. Today is the final exam for my last class. It's really crazy. The semester honestly flew by. But I am excited for the future because the future means DCP. And I cannot wait to take y'all on that journey with me starting in January. But for now, I am about to leave to go take this final exam. And then tonight, some friends and I are going to see Christmas lights since we didn't yesterday. And then it's vacay mode. It's Christmas mode. I'm gonna go to my mom's tomorrow instead of Wednesday, and this video will be posting Thursday, so by the time that you see this, I will have already been at my mom's and started Christmas activities. But yeah, we have a lot of fun stuff lined up. I can't wait to video and post about it, and yeah. I guess, continue Vlogmas. So I will talk to you guys in a little bit after the exam. Hello. I'm back from my exam. That was a very, very long exam, but I feel confident in it. It was 2 hours of handwriting essay questions. There was only 3, but it's just a lot. Like, my teacher wanted 200 to 300 words per question. And so my hand was like cramping up, but it's okay. It's over now. All 2 hours of that is over now. But I just got home and I'm starving. So I think I'm about to make myself maybe a salad and all that because I would put some like chicken butts like in the oven because like that's all I have left in my freezer literally to get me through tonight. But my pan is dirty and I need to wash my dishes. So I'm just gonna eat a salad for now, and if I'm still hungry, I have some chips and salsa and stuff like that. So yeah, so I'm gonna make a salad really quick and I'll be back. So here's my little lunch. This is a little Caesar salad with a little bit of Italian dressing in it to make it like more runny. And then I made some salami and I am going to just put this on top and like eat it together. We are at my mom's and Millie and I are reunited. Yay! Yay! Oh my goodness, she missed me so much, but we are back at my mom's. My mom is at work at Universal right now, so it's just Millie and I here tonight, but, yeah, she, like, licked my face to death, so I'm all red and stuff, so ignore that, but, I guess I'm gonna close out the vlog here. Ignore the friends in the background, but we're gonna close out the vlog here, and I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 2.